Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. I have here a pot of carrot and tomato stew. So I'm going to show you how I made it. It tasted so delicious. I'll be using some carrots and the tomatoes, but I have more carrots than tomatoes. Let me show you how I made this. I have here some carrots which I've washed and cleaned the skin. I've also got some peppers and the tomatoes. I have some fresh tomatoes and the fresh peppers, bell peppers and scotch bonnet peppers. I'll go ahead now and wash and cut them also. I'm done cutting the carrots and the peppers. I'll now add them into the blender, add little water and blend into puree. To blend the last batch, I'm adding in some onions, garlic and the ginger. The next step is to cook this until the water in it dries. And here we have it. For protein, I'll be using beef. I think this part is called tozo. I've thoroughly washed it. I'll go ahead, add into the pot, put some spices and salt and cook until well cooked. I will cover and steam it like this for a few minutes before adding water. And when the meat is well cooked, I'll add it to the oil and fry. You can grill this if you prefer. Now that we are done with all the preparations, let's make the stew. I'll use the same oil I used to fry the meat, but before then I'll scoop out some of the oil. Add some salt and the chopped onions and fry for about a minute. I will also add some garlic and ginger powder and fry for a few seconds. Then add about 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. After frying this for about 5 minutes, I'll then bring in the star of the day, which is the carrot and pepper mix. I'll add the carrots, stir, cover and allow to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. After about 7 minutes, our carrot stew is already looking so beautiful, but it's thick, so I'll add it some meat stock from the meat we cooked earlier on. I'll also stir it. If you like it lighter than this, you can add more water, or if you have stock you can add more. Cover and cook for some time again. We'll stir and check for spices. After testing for the spices, I added some crayfish and 1 seasoning cube. Stir well and then add our fried meat. Our carrot stew is almost ready, but we'll allow it to cook for a few minutes more. Yeah, our carrot stew is ready. I have also boiled some rice, so bring your plate, let me serve you. But before that, I have some spring onions which I'll add to it. I also have curry leaf, Nigerian curry leaf, which I will also add. All this will give it more flavor. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and also share the video. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.